Greetings of the day. Today we are going to learn about mental symptoms of Ignatia Amara. The common name of Ignatia Amara is Saint Ignatius Bean and the family is Logenius. Hahnemann himself proved this remedy. Talking about the mental symptoms of Ignatia Amara, we need to focus on few things because when you are going to prescribe Ignatia Amara to any patient, the mental or the emotional aspect of that patient is playing a very major role for the prescription or for the point of view of having that totality of symptom and prescribing on the repertorial totality. So we need to understand about the mental symptom of Ignatia very often. So the first thing that is very much evident in this is that these patients are very much insecure. Insecurity is the key word for these patients. Let's take an example for having this understanding of this insecurity. A child is seeing his or her mother and father getting along with each other very nicely. When he was 5 years of old, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, suddenly when he is very much older, he's 12, 13 and he's in his 6th, 7th standard, then what he sees that my mother and my father are not that fond of each other, and but in reality they have taken each other as granted and they both are doing their bit of job and they are busy in their work life and they created certain kind of distance in real life, but that distance, both of them are okay with that distance, but childs feel very insecure that my mother and father is not very much into love and they are devoid of love and this is affecting me very badly and I am in a very bad situation. So these kind of internal insecurities present in Ignatia patient. Another is they are very much having emotional intensity. If they are happy, they'll feel very happy and they are doing extreme things in happiness. As for example, they will break something or they will break out into a very bad laughter. If they are weak or deeply hurt, they'll cry louder. And when you got to know about the reason why they are crying, you will get to think that this is very small petty thing on which this person is crying. What is the need of crying so much and what is the need of behaving in so loud manner? So the emotional intensity is very much in that patient. So these two things are the key factor. Now another thing that is very prevalent in Ignatia patient is they are the kind of person who are easily changing their mood. If they are happy 1 minute, they can be sad another minute. If they are sad 1 minute, they can be happy another minute. So there is a changeability in the emotion of that patient. So you need to collaborate these two things. One, they are having emotional intensity, and along with that emotional intensity, they are having fluctuation kind of intensity also. If they will laugh louder, then they'll suddenly become sad and weeps like something and broods on everything that is coming inside their way. So these are very much evident mental symptom of Ignatia Amara. Another one is they are deeply hurt. Let me give you an example to explain this thing. If a patient is having a kind of thing, a patient came to you having some urinary complaint or any other complaint or any uterine complaint, and she says to you that I am very deeply hurt with my husband or my father because they didn't drop me till here. So this is a very petty thing that they might be having some other works. That is why they didn't drop that lady to the hospital or the consultant physician's clinic. So this is a very petty thing, but they will become very deeply hurt. And a word has been used for this patient, that is ice queen. So this word signifies that if the lady is very much angry and the lady is very much deeply hurt, then she is in no mood to forgive or forget the thing that has been done to you, even the thing is very small. So they become ice queen, and if you are apologizing for your mistake also, they will become like, I will not going to forget it, I am not going to take this anymore, and I will not forgive you. If you are saying it, say it and just go. I am immovable. Ice queen is, in short, means immovable. So they are that kind of personalities. So the mental symptoms are very much evident in it, and another very beautiful symptom in Ignatia Amara is that they are having a bad effect of grief, bad effect of having a sudden news, bad effect of any sort of thing, any news, any emotional intensity. If they'll get a sudden bad news, then also they'll develop some symptoms. If they'll get something very exciting, then also they can develop. If they'll become suddenly very angry, then also they can develop some disease condition. So emotionally, the ailments from emotions are very important. If whenever you are seeing in any patient that there is a ailments from any emotional intensity or any emotional cause is behind this whole scenario, whole pathological or physical changes in the patient, then you must always think about Ignatia Amara. So this is all about the mental symptoms of Ignatia Amara. Thank you.